Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. I took a look at Gelatide Drops, which are a liquid supplement marketed to help regulate blood sugar and support weight management. The formula is made from plant-based and herbal ingredients intended to aid metabolism and help maintain balanced energy throughout the day. Being liquid, it's easy to take, a plus for anyone who struggles with pills. The product claims to lower glucose levels and improve overall wellness. However, because it's all natural, results may vary from person to person. It's also not FDA approved and cannot be marketed as a cure for any disease. The ingredients are listed, and there is some research behind their potential benefits, but it's important to critically evaluate that information. The product is sold through a functioning online storefront, and the website states it is GMP certified, so at first glance it doesn't appear to be a scam or fake product. That said, effectiveness will likely depend on your personal condition and lifestyle. Doing your own research and consulting a medical professional before trying it is a smart step. Overall, Gelatide Drops appear to be a legitimate product you could try if you're interested, but it may not deliver the full results claimed on the website. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this review helped, give it a like and subscribe for more honest supplement insights.